Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art, and I'm here to show you a close-up of the Heartfelt Creations Floral Fashionista collection. It is beautiful, and as a matter of fact, if you liked the Raindrops on Roses, which they retired a few years ago, I think that you're going to find this a nice replacement, because there are some, like the roses, images in here that are going to be reminiscent and remind you of those. I love the little curtains, chandeliers. They're not in order because I've been playing around with them, and I do, if you hang in there for a moment or two, have a little bit of some sampling work to show you. Isn't this gorgeous, with this lovely image of this lamp on this beautiful table? And there's the chandelier with the curtains all running along the top. Perfect for a layout. This one, see, those of you who know what I'm talking about, there's a little reminiscence here. This gorgeous dress. Wait till you see the dies for these. Oh my goodness, don't you love how the roses are actually in the chandeliers, and they took the time to put the crystals on there as well. So another layout page. And on this side, here's another image. You're gonna love this. Girly girl all the way. So pretty with the pinks. And like I said, this is not the usual order that I show these in, but I've been at these papers and playing around with things already. So please forgive me. I think this is actually the first sheet that you would normally see. And there's that window. I love that window. If you've seen my album series, then you probably recognize the window. Here are the smaller cutout cards. Look at these beautiful lacy borders. So much design. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous colors. And this lace reminiscent itself of something that's coming up in the dies and stamps. Beautiful purples and pinks. There's some pages that look slightly Victorian in color or antiqued. Something for everybody who loves a little fashion, who loves flowers, who loves seamstress images, tailor images. So many of us do. Beautiful roses on this border, top and bottom. Perfect for a wedding or a prom layout. Oh my goodness. Here's some of the tags with some of the beautiful images and the roses on the tags that you can cut out, put on top of your gift with your matching envelope and your matching card. A nice green with remembering beautiful moments with you. Nice little light tan, brownish edge on that with gorgeous designs, and then the ghost images with the shape of those curtains. Everything connects and flows back and forth so beautifully. Here's a nice close-up of that beautiful image, and look at the flowers on this, and the word love on this one with the roses down the bottom. Some beautiful script, some lovely sentiments. Look at these roses. This is perfect for your background, for the inside of your card, for the inside of an altered box, for the inside pages of your mini albums. This is one of their cutout pages. So all these flowers, and yes, there's a mold for this. The lovely hat. Look at all these images just ready to go for you. Sparkle them up after you cut them out, and you can put them on your card. Run your flowers through the mold, and in a matter of a few minutes look like you'll have a card that typically would have taken hours to make. Here's your 6x6s of the larger cards or pages. Another beautiful, heavier, darker pine greens with images of the flowers. See how the tones are not flat. Just so lovely. Here's a tag page with those beautiful dresses and chandeliers and little lamps all on these tags. Lots of good things to use to finish off your card with. Here's your stamps. A lovely maroon or wine color with lots of design and layering on that. And I think I have, well, maybe not this. I'll just be sure, because here, this is usually one of your first 2 pages with the smaller cards and all your sentiments, including along the edge, and that lovely window flourished with roses. So here are the dies and stamps. We have the Elements of Fashion, which has that gorgeous dress that you can stamp out, and a die set for that, and then a lovely collar, a beautiful hat, and all of these images work together lovely. Floral corset. Oh, don't you just love this? Isn't it adorable? Look at this. Isn't this neck piece just gorgeous? And you can mix and match them. Emma on her video actually spoke about, you know, it was like doing dolls, and certainly a little girl would love receiving all these pieces and being able to play, and an older girl might enjoy getting something like this for her shower, or if somebody is going to the prom, or if somebody is getting married. Oh my goodness, depending on the colors you use. And here is this lovely image, which for seamstresses is so fun and important, and that one comes with your flowers. Here is the Floral Fashionista dies that go with this. Now, it does come with, sold separately, the 3D Florals shaping mold, and one might ask, why would you buy the mold for this? Well, I'm just going to bring this over and show you. I used the cutout sheet, and I have not completed it, but look at what I have here. You'll have to come back at another time and see. I have taken all the pieces, and please excuse Raspberry. She's quite aggravated that I'm busy over here. I've taken all the pieces and used it with the leafy accents, and then check these out. Definitely come back and see what I do with these. So I spent some time stamping. Oh my goodness, is she expressing herself? Come here, Raspberry. Come here, sweetie. So lots of pretty colors. There's the dress. There's the dress. Look at this. I took purples and blues and turquoise and this lovely gentle pink. Oh my gosh. Come back and see what I do with these. I have to rush off right now because Raspberry is demanding some attention. Till next time, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this. You can find at HuckleberryHerbs.com. I'll leave the link below. These, as well as other Heartfelt Creations and crafting things. And sorry to be in such a rush. Hoping you're having a great day. Thank you so much for subbing. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Till next time, this is Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art. God bless.